Alright guys, what's going on YouTube? I'm with Nico, and Nico, do you want to explain what we're doing today?
Yeah, so this is my BMW, and we're gonna cut off the exhaust because why not?
Guys, so first what you're going to do is jack it up from the diff underneath your car onto the pinch weld, or on BMWs, there's a little spot for it right here. It's like a nice little square. Do a shake test. So it's safe. Next, you get your extension cord. Yeah, well. Oh. Get your extension cord grinder. Next, you get your safety glasses. Next, you put your eye safety on. Look at your muffler. Don't cut it here. Cut it before the muffler. So we're gonna cut it right there. Next, get your angle grinder and you start cutting. Clean cut right in front of the muffler. You're next going to have to take it off of the rubber hangers. And an easy way to do that is you can either try and muffle your way to get it through the rubber holder, or you can get a 10mm socket and just unbolt it there. Alright, now you got your clean cut exhaust. Another benefit about doing a muffler delete is you're saving about 50 pounds off the rear. So that means you can go faster. The before sound. And here's after.
I like it.
Alright guys, so I was just editing the footage and I just realized I didn't film an outro, so here is my outro. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you did enjoy. Hope this was useful / helpful / I don't know, whatever you get out of it. If you did like it, please leave a like, comment down below what other video ideas I should do. And if you do like the content on this page, please subscribe or follow me on Instagram at driftmizzle. Thanks for watching the video. See ya.